Kijinga ki ha kalenga perthei kilakhi hadin maka US kalalet kemi u president ka Venezuela u Nicolas Maduro badya kalok ka jong u na ka jakasa ka jong u ha nongba Caracas ha ka step singsa jan kajinglet kemi u Maduro kalapan mi ya kajing sngo ba ya pher ha ka ba kinong Venezuela ki bala phet chikiwe pat kiri kilapan paw ya kajing kemen bat jing kermen ya kajing kala ha ka senchar ka khadar kat ba kiwe pat kinong shongshnong ki bakarshan ya ka sarkar jong u Maduro kilapan paw ya kajing sngo bitar bat persha ya kajing le jong ka US bat kila dawaru ba deban pelat no ya u dakis pa ngut ki pat ba kilapan paw ya kajing persha ha Turkey US kumjuru ha ba Europe bat South America ya kajing perta persha ya kajing le don bor ka US bat thang ya ka lama jongka bat ongru ba ka de kajing pen Kenya ka an bari kinong ya ki kilapan ramru ya kajing kam jong u Donald Trump man penya ya ka ri Venezuela tarhadu ba ka jing shngan ba jing bet kanwan biang hagoi pat kalyang u Maduro ulakan ta ja khamar ka yim bishar jong ka US ya ki jing no ki ba kan thup ya ka jing thambo da ka jing khai drok shak ki pat kiri ka jing khai drok bat ki le no ka jing asalla ba jing don ya ki tiar ya le kumjuru ka lok jong u Casilia Flores kalakan ta ya ka jing no da ka bakam ya ladi bakalong ka bakhut u Maduro ulakam ru hakmat unong bishar jong ka federal court ka US ba ula syara bor hakishipai ka US bat ba udang longru u president jong ka ri Venezuela.
Esto es un día histórico, nosotros hicimos historia, pasamos pandemia, vivimos dictadura. Hoy por hoy, un 3 de enero, estamos viendo un sueño hecho realidad. Un sueño de muchos venezolanos, un sueño de familias, de hijos, de hermanos. Un sueño que se ha llorado con sangre. Porque nuestras lágrimas no solamente han sido lágrimas, ha sido sangre derramada por la libertad de un país entero.
Es lo que siempre hemos esperado. Hemos esperado que Venezuela sea libre, que podamos regresar. Yo personalmente como joven quiero volver a mi país y hacer todo lo que pueda para que mi país vuelva y se levante. Mi país es hermoso, tiene mucho potencial desperdiciado por este gobierno socialista. Quisiera volver, soy venezolano, tengo mis raíces allá. Argentina nos abrigó muy bien, nos tratan muy bien, es muy agradecido, pero yo soy venezolano.
Hoy amanecimos con la esperanza, no sabíamos si era inteligencia artificial, si las imágenes eran por IA, hasta que realmente se hizo verdadero y dieron las declaraciones oficiales, pero es el paso a un nuevo camino, la posibilidad y una esperanza. Esto no se ha acabado lamentablemente, pero por lo menos hay un camino.
Y mucha esperanza porque es el primer paso de un comienzo de algo nuevo, de un país que vuelve a nacer. La verdad que yo estoy muy emocionado también por esto que está pasando.
¡Venezuela libre! ¡Ale carajo! ¡Venezuela libre! ¡Chavismo! ¡Libertad, mi hermano, fue Simón Bolívar! ¡Viva Venezuela, mi patria querida!
As a Venezuelan, we are very, very much thankful to President Trump for this commitment.
Today I feel like there's a light at the end of the tunnel, there's some hope. I feel like there will be a space that will become our own for every Venezuelan out here and every Venezuelan in Venezuela too. We have the right to have a place that we're proud of and where we belong, and that was taken from us more than 20 years ago.
Well, this has been like a roller coaster, emotionally speaking, but now in this very moment, a little bit more calm. We think that we have gotten an important first step toward this transition to democracy. As a Venezuelan, we are very, very much thankful to President Trump for this commitment to eliminate Maduro from that has been kidnapping the whole society, our whole economy, who has been destroyed, the country completely looted and converted our country in a hub of terror and terrorism. This is not Venezuela. This is what this regime is.
Yo espero de verdad que en paz y en tranquilidad el pueblo venezolano supere esta contingencia, porque este es un periodo de transición, Entonces lo que esperamos los que estamos aquí, los que están en Venezuela, es que todo se desarrolle en total calma y en total paz. Porque nadie quiere un derramamiento de sangre, nadie quiere muerte, que se den las cosas como se deben dar en total calma y en total paz.
There is no going back. Nicolás Maduro today is going to be brought to justice after 14 years of running our country, after more than 20 years of a ruthless dictatorship. And it is time for freedom, it is time for democracy. There is a reason why there are 8 million refugees throughout the world right now, and that is because of him, because he brought our country down, because he destroyed our livelihood. He stole my dreams, he destroyed my family, he took my friends who are still in prison right now, so that's why we're here. We're here to make sure that the history of Venezuela is told by Venezuelans and not by paid activists that are standing up here to wash the face of a criminal dictator that is being brought to justice finally today, here behind us. I'm here because when I was 17, I was forced to leave my home. I was forced to leave everything behind because of that dictator. I'm here because 8 million Venezuelans have been forced to flee their homeland because of that dictator. And we're here standing up for the 30 million Venezuelans that I promised you wished to be here but are not able to be here. We're here to make sure our story is properly told.
So we're here for the arraignment to say free Maduro, to say the U.S. has no right to be holding the president of Venezuela and his wife, Celia Flores, in U.S. courts. The charges are lies, and they're actually cover for the real political agenda, which is regime change, and to put a government in power not like the one that is in power, which is for the people, but to put a government in power that is going to facilitate the extraction of oil and resources from Venezuela to the U.S. That's Trump's real agenda.
Siz adına Genel Sekreterimiz Ercan Bölükbaşı bir konuşma yapacak, sözü ona bırakıyorum.
Saldırı gerçekleşti. Tüm dünya halklarının düşmanı.
Söyle alabilir miyiz? Ha? Alacağız.
Halklar kazanacak, barbarlık yenilecek, direnen halklar kazanacak. İş, barış, özgürlük, iş.